Okay, Claire, for number 4. Tate no nagasa to yoko no nagasa no wa ga 14 centimeter. Wa means the sum. Tate means the, like this, the standing one. Yoko means the width, the height and the width of the, what is this? Chohoke, rectangular. Chohoke ga 14 centimeter. Okay, so the width and the length of the rectangle is 14 centimeter. The sum of the length and the width of the rectangular is 14 centimeter. So we have to menseki no saidaichi o mitomeyo. Let's find the maximum of the menseki, or menseki means the area. Menseki, where is the menseki? Here. Menseki. Mata, sono toki no chohoke no shu no nagasa o mitomeyo means the, what do you call it? Keliling. Okay. Now let's draw the rectangular chohoke. So if this is x, okay, the x, we define x is the tate. Yoko, I call it with A. It can be B, it can be C, it can be D, anything you want. But I'm going to use Y over here. Why I didn't use the Y? Because I want to use the Y for calculating the menseki. Okay, so it's not going to confuse you. If I'm using Y over here, then I'm going to use another identification as Y for the menseki. Usually we write in a Y equal blah 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 x squared plus blah blah blah, like that, right? So I'm not going to use this Y. This Y I'm going to use for calculating the area. So as the to replace the Y, I'm using A. So the x plus A, okay, this is A, because x plus A is 14, so A is 14 minus x. X move over here, become minus, right? So A over here, I write it down as 14 minus x, okay? Now we know this, and then we are going to find out the menseki. To find out the menseki, or the area is usually this, the height multiply the width, okay? It is x multiply A, right? So we define this as y, the menseki as y, okay? X is x multiply A. A is 14 minus x. 14 minus x, okay? Let's find out. X multiply 14 is 14x. X multiply minus x is minus x squared. Okay, so y is minus x squared plus 14x. Now we have this equation already. We are going to switch it to Hyojun K. Okay, from here we are going to take the minus out. Okay, x squared minus 14x, like this. Okay. And then we're going to remove the, change the square and the x, additional bracket, in the bracket x minus 14 divided 2 square minus 14 divided 2 square, close the bracket. In the bracket, x minus 7 square minus 7 square, in the bracket. In the bracket, x minus 7 square minus 49. Close the bracket. Now, we are going to remove the, open the, what do you call this, bracket. Then we are going to make it into like this, x minus 7 square minus multiply minus is plus 49. So, the x is going to be minus 7. It is 7. Okay, we have the answer for x is 7. Because the x is 7, we want to know over here, okay, x is 7, so a is 14 minus x. 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, now we are going to draw the the what do you call this, Nijikansu. Because this is minus over here, the Nijikansu will looks like this. Okay, so we have this 7, x as 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then y at 49 over here, 49. Okay, over here, this is the turning point over here. Okay, now we are going to find out, okay, if it is the x is 0, the x is 0, we are going to put it over here again, over here, sorry. So y is equal minus x squared plus 14x. Okay, fx equal minus x squared plus 14x. f0 equal minus 0 quadrat plus 14 multiply 0. It is 0. So it's going to be over here. Okay, if x is 0, the y is 0, so it's over here. We can assume that this is the max. Okay, this is the max. This is to find out only, okay, to cross check. So this is going to be the maximum. So the x is 7. Okay, the x is 7. The a will be 14 minus 7 is 7. This is the maximum. The maximum for for the maximum area for the rectangular. The maximum will be, so the menseki, so when x is 7, notoki, saidaichi is 49. Okay, saidaichi is 49. Look, over here is 49. Okay, sorry, this is 49, right? And then menseki is x multiply a. Okay, means 7 multiply 7. Because you got the a already over here, right? 7. X is 7. So 7 multiply 7, it's 49. So Shio no nagasa, the clearing. X plus a plus x plus a. Okay, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 28. Only like that.